So div tag. What is div tag? Why we have the div tag? Why we use the div tab? Why div tab is too much important for the front-end developer, for the back-end developer, and for the students also, respective to the exams also. Div tag. So basically, div tag is used to define the section in the HTML document. It can be used to group large section of HTML elements together and format them with cascading style sheet. Cascading style sheet, cascading CSS file. It means CSS file. It means SAS file. CSS, SAS, and cascading style sheet. Okay. The closing tag, the div tag, is used to indicate the end of the section. So we have the two tags, div starting and the div ending. So welcome back. So we have two attributes also regarding the div tag. Number one is align and number two is style. So let's start. I'm opening my editor, and this editor is known as Sublime Text 3. Unfortunately, I have the unregistered version. So you can do this code by using Atom, Bracket, Notepad, Notepad++, or Sublime Text. It depends on the taste, and it depends on the programmer, it depends on the coder, which type of editor you are using. So I am using the Sublime Text 3. So now let me facilitate with the help of div tag. I am taking another HTML document by using Control for the Windows and Command for the Mac, Control+N. Or we save this file named as div.html. Now first.html. And now our basic tags: title div tag, and topic number 7. Okay, this is the title and this is the head section. This is the head section where we put the link of other files. For example, I want to create another CSS file for my this document, this first.html. What we do another CSS file, Control+N, and we save Control+S, and the name is first.css. This is the CSS file. And now this is the CSS file. I have a call regarding, I don't know. This is the CSS file and this is the HTML file. First thing we need to connect them. We need to join them. Where we join? We join in the head section after the title. Legend sign, ally link, and the CSS file name is 1st.css. This is the link. Now let's change the background of our document. So I say body, I say background color, the color will 1 2. Now Control S, hit on the key, Control S and Control S this one also, first.html. Now our folder is webprog. Where is the webprog? This is the webprog. This is our file, and this is the background of our file. Yeah, very cute. Now second thing, from the body, let me give the comment div tag and this one. Okay, so I am taking div style, the background color. Our background color is this 4-5, and this is the code of our background color, and we say text align center. Okay inside the div tag we have a heading h2, or the heading is welcome to Ali Education Center. Okay, so this is the opening. Now we must have the closing. Our div tag is close. Okay, second thing, again I am taking the div style. So I'm putting the border around this div. So how we give the border? Only type border, simple border, 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 1 pixel solid, 1 pixel solid black, 1 pixel solid black, and the text line is center. That's it. Inside this div we have another h3 heading. The heading name is pure IoT Institute. Pure IT Institute. Now save from the Control+S or the Command+S for the Mac and reopen the document. And this is because of div tag give the background color this to my first heading, and the div tag give the border color this to the second heading. This is how we perform the div tag. Okay. Now next is span tag. Span tag is used to provide additional structure to the HTML. It is used to group and apply the style to inline elements. It can be used to give different characteristics to specific part of other elements. The element span element begin with the span tag and ends with the ending span tag. Okay, so how we do? Simple, we code span style color orange so now we have the heading learn, work and earn. Learn, work and earn. So this is the span tag, and we give color to this learn, work and earn. Now another thing is that अंदर ले आओ उसको बाहर इधर बैठाओ. Another thing is that text align center. Okay, so that was all about the div tag and the span tag. So whether you are using the div, you are using the span, make sure that you must use the div tag. For my opinion, div tag is better than the span tag. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.